Architectural salvage refers to materials salvaged from old buildings, historical homes, or abandoned structures. Think old doors, windows, beams, decorative moldings, and wrought iron pieces that have a story to tell. Instead of letting these materials go to waste, we can breathe new life into them, turning what was once considered discarded into beautiful, high-end home decor pieces that tell a story and add character to any space. Hello. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, your daily dose of creative, sustainable, and high-end home decor inspiration. If you love transforming forgotten materials into stunning pieces that elevate your living space, then today's video is going to be a true treat. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an idea that could transform your home into a work of art. Today, we are exploring the fascinating world of architectural salvage and how it can be reimagined into unique upcycled decor that is both functional and visually striking. The first step in crafting unique upcycled decor from architectural salvage is selecting the right pieces. When sourcing materials, whether from a local salvage yard, flea market, or even abandoned buildings, look for items with character and craftsmanship that can't easily be replicated in modern manufacturing. Old wood beams, for example, often have intricate grains, textures, and imperfections that make each piece truly one of a kind. Similarly, vintage doors, windows, and panels may feature ornate carvings or distressed finishes that add a sense of history and elegance to your project. The beauty of architectural salvage lies in its imperfections, and embracing these quirks allows your final creation to feel authentic and timeless. One of the most exciting aspects of working with architectural salvage is creativity in combining different materials. Don't limit yourself to a single type of material, mix wood with metal, glass, or stone to create visually dynamic pieces that stand out. For instance, an old wooden window frame can be transformed into a multi-purpose wall organizer by adding hooks, shelves, or a chalkboard panel, blending functionality with artistic flair. Similarly, using reclaimed beams as the base for a modern coffee table, complemented with a sleek glass top or metal accents, results in a piece that is both rustic and contemporary. This approach not only maximizes the potential of your salvaged materials, but also allows you to create decor that is truly personalized and unlike anything found in stores. As you work on your upcycled project, attention to detail is essential. The small touches often make the difference between a good piece and a great one. Think about the placement of each element, the finishes, and how textures interact. Sanding edges, adding subtle distressing, or highlighting natural imperfections can elevate a piece from ordinary to extraordinary. Additionally, consider the functionality of your creation. Upcycled decor should not only be visually appealing, but also serve a practical purpose in your home. For example, transforming an old door into a foldable desk combines elegance with functionality, making it a conversation starter while fulfilling a real need. Now, let's talk about styling and placement. Even the most beautifully crafted upcycled decor can lose impact if it's not placed thoughtfully. Think about the space you want to enhance: entryways, living rooms, bedrooms, or even outdoor patios, and choose pieces that complement the existing style. Architectural salvage works beautifully in eclectic, rustic, industrial, and modern farmhouse settings, but the key is balance. For instance, A reclaimed wooden mantel can serve as a focal point above a fireplace, while a vintage window frame with mirrored panels can add depth and charm to a living room wall. Consider layering textures, playing with color contrasts, and incorporating complementary decor to create a cohesive look that draws the eye and tells a story. Midway through your project journey, it's worth emphasizing sustainability and environmental impact. Upcycling architectural salvage is not just about aesthetics, it's a conscious choice to reduce waste, preserve history, and make a positive impact on the environment. Every piece you save from landfills represents a step toward a more sustainable and eco-friendly approach to home decor. Sharing this philosophy with your audience adds value, connecting the beauty of your creations with a meaningful message about conscious living. If you're enjoying these ideas, make sure to subscribe to Kuki Decor so you can stay inspired with daily videos that turn forgotten materials into stunning, eco-friendly decor. Another fascinating aspect of architectural salvage is its storytelling potential. Each piece carries history, wood from an old barn, iron railings from a century-old staircase, or a vintage door with layers of paint telling the tale of a bygone era. Incorporating these materials into your decor allows you to preserve and celebrate these stories. You can even add subtle plaques, tags, or notes describing the origin of the materials, giving your home a sense of depth and connection that mass-produced decor simply cannot provide. Guests are often captivated by the narrative behind salvaged pieces, making your home not just stylish, but meaningful. As you approach the final stages of your project, focus on finishing touches that bring cohesion and polish to your creation. Protective coatings, waxes, or sealants enhance durability while preserving the natural beauty of the materials. Adding complementary elements like cushions, decorative objects, or lighting can elevate the overall presentation, highlighting the craftsmanship and uniqueness of your upcycled decor. Remember, the goal is to create pieces that are functional, beautiful, and timeless, transforming your space while honoring the history embedded in each salvaged element. Finally, a key tip for aspiring upcyclers is to embrace experimentation and creativity. Don't be afraid to combine unexpected materials, try unconventional designs, or push the boundaries of traditional decor. Architectural salvage offers limitless possibilities. An old staircase railing can become a hanging pot rack, wooden beams can form a rustic chandelier, and vintage doors can be reimagined as statement room dividers. The more you experiment, the more unique and personal your home decor becomes, reflecting not only your style, but also your ingenuity and respect for sustainable living. To wrap up, architectural salvage reimagined into upcycled decor is more than just a DIY trend. It's a way to honor history, embrace sustainability, and create beautiful, functional pieces that enrich your home. By sourcing unique materials, planning carefully, restoring with attention to detail, combining textures creatively, and styling thoughtfully, you can transform forgotten elements into decor that feels luxurious and meaningful. Every piece you craft tells a story, adds character to your space, and contributes to a more sustainable future. If this video inspired you, don't forget to subscribe to Kuki Decor, like this video, and share it with friends who love creative, eco-friendly home decor. Stay tuned for more daily videos, where we turn ordinary salvaged materials into extraordinary design treasures. Thank you for joining us, And remember, your next masterpiece may just be hiding in plain sight, waiting to be discovered and reimagined.